All right, now we're gonna do 2-point, which has literally 2 points. So we're gonna do basically about 1/4 of an inch in on both sides, making sure it's on the dot, on the line, or the horizon line. So you got 2 vanishing points here. We're gonna do the same thing where we're gonna draw 3 boxes like we did in the first one. And we're gonna go, how about this time we'll change direction. We'll go one here, we'll do one here, and then we'll do one more interesting if you're kind of off to the side. We'll do this here. Okay, so you're going to basically draw from each corner, and you'll see why in just a moment. You'll make like a sideways diamond shape, and I'll go through the whole process for one shape at a time. Okay, there we have that. Then, so basically that goes there, that goes there, this goes there, that goes there. Okay, next up we're going to do basically the size of our building. And we'll make it a little bit narrower here. And you've got your first sort of built structure, if you will. And I like to erase my construction lines as I go because it gets confusing when you have a whole lot going on one page. Okay, same thing here. You don't have to go all the way to the vanishing point, but I'm just going to go lightly there. As long as you, this is going to be super, super severe of an angle. That'll be cool. Okay. All right. So now I have the same thing, but it's got a lot, this is closer to the vanishing point, so it's much more extreme of an angle. But I'm going to do the same thing where I create vertical lines, and you have to do the vertical lines next, and make sure you create a nice smooth line. So if you sort of screw one up like I did, take a minute and or a couple seconds and just fix that up. Okay. And then lastly, what we're going to do is we're going to create the bottom. We're going to take from this corner to that vanishing point, and from that corner to that vanishing point. So we'll start over here since I'm closer. There. And from that corner, make sure you're going to the corner to vanishing point. So every orthogonal in a 2-point perspective goes back to the vanishing point. And we can erase away unnecessary lines, and you see an object floating in space. Same thing over here. We're going to connect to each corner. Okay, same thing. We're going to then do vertical lines that are parallel to the to this, and make sure you fix it if it's not. And then same thing, we're going to take from this corner to that vanishing point, this corner to that vanishing point. So basically the farthest away corners usually go to the farthest away vanishing points. Something to remember. Not always the case, but pretty close. And I didn't go all the way, so then I don't have to erase. But basically that's your 2-point perspective. And you should see 3 objects in space. Now if you wanted to create a door or a window, I'll just show you that really quick. You would also create, I'm just going to do a big window. You would also use your orthogonal lines and then create vertical, but that's optional. You don't have to do that for this one. There you have it.